Hi students, from this class onwards, I am going to discuss very important questions. That is passing package. This passing package nearly carries up to out of 70 marks. You can score 40 marks, 40 to 50 marks. Very most important questions. First, we are going to discuss about the mechanisms. In organic chemistry, there are four mechanisms. Out of four mechanisms, they definitely ask two mechanisms of nearly 5 marks. If you study that four mechanism in your board exam, they can score the 5 marks. First, you study about the SN1 mechanism. SN1 mechanism. SN1 meaning is substitution nucleophilic unimolecular. For this SN1 mechanism, directly you consider the mechanism. That SN1 mechanism involves the two steps. This tertiary butyl bromide. This is the tertiary butyl bromide. T-butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide undergo slow dissociation, slow ionization, slow dissociation to form CH3 plus. This is called tertiary butyl carbocation. Tertiary butyl carbocation and Br minus. In the second step, this tertiary butyl carbocation reacts with the nucleophile OH minus. This is the carbocation, tertiary butyl carbocation. This OH minus is the nucleophile. This tertiary butyl carbocation reacts with the nucleophile, forms. This is CH3 OH. This is tertiary butyl alcohol. This step is first. According to that chemical kinetics, slow step is the rate determining step. Hence, rate proportional to. That slow step contains only alkyl halide. This is the tertiary butyl bromide is an alkyl halide. 1 mole of the alkyl halide. Hence, rate proportional to Rx power 1. We know that order, sum of the powers in the rate equation is called order. Only one power is present, hence order of the reaction is 1. Then again, only one reactant involved in the slow step, hence it is called as an unimolecular. This is about the SN1 mechanism. Just you write as it is in the annual examination. Definitely you get 3 marks. For the first step 1 mark, second step 2 marks, and if they ask what is the order for that reaction, then for that one you get the 3 marks. This is about the scheme of evaluation for that SN1 mechanism. Then second mechanism is SN2 mechanism. SN2 means substitution nucleophilic bimolecular. That SN2 mechanism involves a single step. It is a single step mechanism. For this SN2 mechanism, you take methyl chloride plus nucleophile OH minus nucleophile. This one is the slow step. In SN2 mechanism, the nucleophile get added from the opposite side to the chlorine atom. That results in the formation of transition state. In this transition state, this Cl bond is partially broken and new OH bond partially formed. New OH bond is partially formed. This is called as a transition state. This transition state is highly unstable. It is unstable in nature. Immediately it decomposes. That step is very fast. That decompose to form the product. Always you have to write the OH from the opposite side only. This product name is methyl alcohol plus Cl minus. This is methyl chloride. This one is a nucleophile. You have to follow the arrow marks and these reversible symbols, whether it is reversible or occurs in one direction. That is also very important. If you are not considered the proper direction, then at that time also you will not get the marks. Hence, you must follow the arrow marks, charges and the direction, whether it is only single direction or reversible direction. That is important. Then in this SN2, you have to prove that it is a bimolecular. For that one, again the slow step is the rate determining step. The first step is the slow step. That rate proportional to Rx, alkyl halide, methyl chloride, it is an alkyl halide, Rx power 1 mole, and it contains nucleophile power 1. Totally, that is order it is given by the sum of the powers in the rate equation. Here Rx power 1, nucleophile power 1, then sum of the powers is order equal to 2. And that slow step contains the 2 reactant molecules. There are 2 reactant molecules, hence this is taken as a bimolecular. It is a bimolecular reaction. This is about the SN2 mechanism. This mechanism carries the 2 to 3 marks. This is about SN1 and SN2. All the students must practice this SN1 and SN2. In every exam, definitely they can ask either SN1 or SN2. Then the third mechanism is mechanism of dehydration of alcohol to alkene. Very important one. This one carries 3 marks. In almost examinations, they can ask, they are considered this alcohol to alkene mechanism, or instead of alcohol they can consider ethanol, OL, alcohol, ethanol to ethene. This mechanism carries consists of the 3 steps. It consists of the 3 steps. In the first step, you take CH3, CH2, OH. This one is ethyl alcohol or ethanol, OL, ethanol combines with the proton. This step is reversible. This is fast. By using this lone pair, proton get bonded to the OH, results in the formation of CH3, CH2, OH, H plus. This is called as an protonated alcohol. This step carries 1 mark. Protonated alcohol, charge is very important. Then in the second step, you consider the protonated alcohol. This protonated alcohol then this bond in this protonated alcohol, this bond shifted towards the oxygen. That results in the formation of CH3, CH2. If these bonded electrons moving towards the oxygen, carbon gets the positive charge. This is called carbocation. Carbocation. This is protonated alcohol. Protonated alcohol. Protonated alcohol forms the carbocation. Then forms H2O. By shifting of these bonded electrons towards oxygen, here the oxygen gets the lone pairs, two lone pairs. Here also oxygen K2 one contains one lone pair. This is the formation of the carbocation. Second step. Second step is formation of carbocation. This step carries 1 mark. Then third step is that split that carbocation, that is CH3, CH2 plus. This is the carbocation. This carbocation, again one more. This formation of carbocation is slow step. It is slow. This carbocation loses the proton. That loses the proton. When this proton loss takes place, these bonded electrons moves towards this position. Arrow marks are very, very important. Here loss of the proton takes place, then results in the formation of CH2. When this bonded electrons moving towards this carbon, here development of double bond takes place, CH2 plus H plus. This is an ethene or alkene. Alkene. This is the carbocation. This is the third step. The third step, carbocation loses the proton. This step carries 1 mark. That is, each step carries 1 mark. This is about the mechanism of dehydration of alcohol to alkene. That one is ethanol get protonated to form protonated alcohol. Protonated alcohol loses the water molecule to form the carbocation. That carbocation loses the proton to form an ethene. Again, this slow step you considered as a reversible step. This is the rate determining step. Formation of the carbocation is the rate determining step. Consider the last mechanism. The name is mechanism of addition of HCN, hydrogen cyanide. This mechanism addition of HCN takes place in the presence of the base HCN plus OH minus. This is reversible. That results in the formation of the Cn minus plus H2O. This Cn minus, it is called as the nucleophile. It is a nucleophile. This is the first step. Because to increase the speed of the reaction, we are using the base. This one is the base. This is the hydrogen cyanide. Then you take carbonyl compound, CO. This is the carbonyl compound. That carbonyl compound may be either aldehyde or ketone. If they are considered aldehyde, here you write R, here H. If they are considered ketone, then both the bonds write R. Generally, they are considering carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound, then mention the polarities. Oxygen more electronegative gets delta minus, carbon gets delta plus. Then combines with the nucleophile Cn minus. This is the nucleophile generated in the first step. Then this nucleophile bonded to the carbonyl carbon. At that time, these pi electron shifted towards the oxygen. Then that results in the formation of an tetrahedral intermediate. This is the tetrahedral intermediate, O minus Cn. This is called tetrahedral intermediate. A tetrahedral intermediate is formed. Then finally, proton transfer takes place. Proton transfer takes place. H plus proton transfer. Proton transfer takes place. That is H plus transfer takes place. That results in the formation of C to this O minus, H get bonded, OH, Cn. This is called as the corresponding cyanohydrine. Cyanohydrine. This is the mechanism. If you write as it is, definitely you get 3 marks. Mechanism of addition of the HCN to the carbonyl compound. You practice all these all four mechanisms. That is, one is S11, SN2, dehydration of alcohol to alkene, and addition of HCN to the carbonyl compound. From these 4 mechanisms, definitely you get 5 marks. In the next class, you can consider other very most important questions.